our Ginoo at Binibining Tanglawan hosts, Jess Baria at Juancho Ponce, Jessie Quinto at Pauline Amelix.
Wow, ako po si Pauline Cucharo Alex, your Miss Supranational 2023 first runner-up.
Sa ilalim ng mga ilaw na kumikislap at sa harap ng pusong puno ng suporta, ating sisimulan ang pinakahihintay na gabi ng Tanglawan Festival. Magandang gabi, ako po ang inyong diva host ng San Jose del Monte, Jess Baria. That's right, Jessie, Pauline, and Juancho. It is a very unique opening production number, would you say?
Very much so.
See, I told you, and it's just only to say na ganito na kaunlad ang San Jose del Monte because we have our very hard-working leaders. Siyempre, tayo ay pinamumunuan ng ating pinakamamahal na ina ng ating lungsod, Mayor Rita Robes, katuwang ang ating Congressman Arthur B. Robes. And we just want to say hello sa ating mga FB Live audience na nanonood. We are live via the Tanglawan Festival Facebook page and the City of San Jose del Monte Tourism page.
Honor.
Very well said, Pauline, and of course,
Kaya naman,
very exciting.
Very exciting.
Very exciting ang competition natin tonight, Pauline, and we like to welcome first Pauline Amelings in the rising city of San Jose del Monte. Palakpakan naman natin si Pauline! Grabe!
Thank you so much for the very warm welcome. I love being here. It's my first time here in San Jose del Monte. And
Alam mo ba, Pauline, ang
Yes.
Hotel Savano ay isa yan sa premier hotel namin dito sa San Jose del Monte. Bagong-bago at talagang pang world class
Oh, wow.
ang Hotel Savano namin. Saan located ang Hotel Savano? Savano Park. Kaya siya Hotel Savano.
kaya pala. Hopefully next time that I'm here, I'll try to stay at Savannah Hotel.
I'm surprised you didn't stay there because
Not yet pa. I just arrived kanina eh.
I see.
And
You
then I
just
have to
arrived.
leave again kasi may mga events, you know, busy but blessed.
Ikaw, Wancho, na-try mo na ba sa Hotel Savano? Oo, nandun din ako actually nung during
oh, nakita nga kita
screening.
nun eh.
Andun ka pala.
Yeah.
Akala ko magpapascreen ka.
Hindi,
Wild card candidates.
overqualified na ako para na ako grandmother. So, I really enjoyed their stay in Hotel Savano and napakaganda talaga. It's a must-visit hotel here in San Jose del Monte. Very affordable and very accessible. Bakit? Bakit accessible? Tunay ngang ang Tanglawan ay nagniningning sa bawat isa sa inyo. Kaya naman City Sports Complex, San Jose, mag-ingat!